Hello and welcome to this edition of the Locksmith channel. Today we're going to talk about the Locksmith Ledger International magazine. This month there are some wonderful articles by a lot of really talented people, and guess what? You get to meet the Treminator. So I keep saying that I am contributing to this magazine, and there are a few articles from earlier this year. There is also one for how to build a F-350 truck, a big heavy-duty 1-ton diesel truck to meet your service truck needs, okay? I am a little unconventional. I live in the mountains. I live in the snow. I need a truck. I need four-wheel drive. I need power. I need torque. I deliver safes. Safes is my main focal point. We install them, we sell them, we work on them, we do so many things with them. I have to have power and torque, and this truck does that. For more information, check out the Locksmith Ledger. Thanks for watching.